Anthrax, the pioneering American thrash metal band, was formed in 1981 in New York City. The original lineup included Scott Ian, rhythm guitar, Dan Lilker, bass, Charlie Benante, drums, Neil Turbin, vocals, and Greg Walls, lead guitar. However, shortly after their formation, Lilker got fired right before their debut album, Fistful of Metal, and was replaced by Frank Bello. In 1984, Turbin left the band and was replaced by Joey Belladonna, marking the beginning of Anthrax's most iconic era. Throughout their career, the band faced several lineup changes and conflicts. Greg Walls was replaced by Dan Spitz in 1983, and Spitz left in 1995, leading to the recruitment of Paul Crook. Belladonna was fired in 1992 due to creative differences and was replaced by John Bush, returning briefly in the early 2000s before being replaced again by Belladonna. Anthrax's music often addressed social and political issues, with their most significant achievements including multiple Grammy nominations and gold and platinum album certifications. Notable albums include Among the Living, 1987, and Persistence of Time, 1990. Iconic live performances include their appearances at Monsters of Rock festivals and the Big Four concerts with Metallica, Slayer, and Megadeth. The band experienced internal conflicts, notably between Ian and Benante with former vocalist Neil Turbin. These conflicts and lineup changes contributed to their eventual disbandment in 2022. However, in a surprise move, Anthrax reunited in 2023 for a charity concert, performing classics like Caught in a Mosh and Indians. Anthrax is currently touring across 10 countries and has 16 upcoming concerts, and also 2024 will mark the first time all the three bands tour together as a package. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.